All right, everybody, welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to go inside one of my rental properties. Sorry, there's too much traffic, but one of my tenants has moved out after 3 years of good service, and now I will show you what I was left with and how the inside of the property looks like, also the outside after 3 years. So now I'm going to switch the camera over and I'm going to show you the result. All right, this is one of the side doors that you walk in. I'm here today because I had to turn on the LG&E and gas. Electric was turned on, but gas was not turned on because one of my gas valves did not have a shutoff. So I pretty much had to run to the store and get a shutoff valve, one of these. So today I'll be installing that. But let me show you through the property. As you can see, this is the laundry room. As you can see, the blinds are completely broke, but that is absolutely normal. I expect that. I had some tenants that lived in one of my properties for about 6 months to a year, and all the blinds get broken. That is standard. Also, the floor is very dirty, but this is like one of the main entrances, especially by the garage. So it's very dirty. All right, now you walk in, and here's the kitchen. They left me an awesome table, which will be going to the dumpster here in a little bit. Also, the refrigerator. The floor does have a little bit of damage right here. It looks like a burn mark, but this thing is going to be replaced anyway. Stove, little kitchen. This kitchen is going to be redone. It's not going to be gutted or nothing. It's just going to be cleaned up very nicely, maybe sanded down and then repainted. It's still strong and sturdy, holds very well. So that's going to be repainted. If you want to watch the kitchen repaint, remodel, leave a comment below and I'll probably make some videos on that as well. All right, now let's go into the living room. This is the carpet. You can see where the couch was, all the love seats, all that good stuff. And then you can see where it was walked on. This carpet is about 3 years old and it will be replaced. That's why I'm here today. I'm waiting for all my contractors to come so they can give me some estimates. There go the walls. The walls are pretty good, but they do have a bunch of places where pictures were hung, but that's also fine with me. I do not have any restrictions on that. So all those little pinholes will be removed, and before it gets repainted, they'll be patched up. All right, and they left me an awesome piece of cardboard. All right, now let's move on to the other room. This is room number 1. Also, carpet will be replaced in the entire house. Fixture, awesome little sun picture. Also, a little bit more holes from the stuff that was hanging. This curtain looks good, just a little bit dirty. This one's probably going to need to be replaced. Closet looks good. Doorknob's missing. That's fine. Awesome TV stand. Going in the garbage as well. All right, now let's go to the other room. Let's see if the lights. Let me turn on the light. All right, same thing. Carpet will be replaced. All the electrical outlets will be replaced. Blinds look good, just a little bit dirty, so they'll be cleaned up, repainted. Yeah, closet doorknob missing. All right, this door is also going to be repainted, maybe get new doorknobs. Also, this one. Here's the bathroom. Let me turn off. Here's the bathroom. A little bit dirty, but it will need to be recocked and cleaned very nicely, bleached, everything. All this stuff's gonna be thrown out. Yeah, water was turned off. This right here is probably going to stay, just going to be cleaned up. That little light fixture will be replaced. I got like 30 light fixtures at home I bought at the auction, so they will be replaced. Also, flooring. This right here, just a little closet, will be repainted. All the doors will be repainted. This is the furnace, only 2 years old, but we're waiting for the gas valve to be fixed in the laundry room before we turn on the gas. All right, there's the front door. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. Not that big, not that small, but here's also the water heater. Also pretty new. All right, so now let me show you the garage, which is awesome. I love that you can just walk through the laundry room and go into the garage. The garage is very, very dirty. I don't know if you can see it, but the dude worked on trucks, so you can smell like oil. But All this stuff will be cleaned out. No big deal whatsoever. Garage door still works. All right, so that's a little garage, one car, but it's pretty good, pretty good. After 3 years of service, I'm not mad at all. I've seen properties that after 1 year, the whole property is completely destroyed. So after 3 years, I'm happy with the results. Here's another door that leads to the backyard. This door is like rarely ever open. So let me close that door back up. All right. Now let me show you the outside of the house and the backyard. All right, here we are. That's the garage. Here's a little backyard. This house has so many trees. Literally, there are absolutely everywhere. Also, the siding, the paint is peeling off. So all of this is going to be fixed. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make a ton more videos of the renovation of this property. As you can see, pretty nice little backyard, fenced in. That tree will be removed. Those trees will be removed. I want all the trees to be removed for a couple of reasons. Ooh, look at this tree. Whew, giants. Look at this one. Wait. You got to see this one from the angle, from the side. It's pretty much leaning on the power line. I contacted the city, but you know how they are. Never get a response. All right, so let's look around the house some more. They left me a nice little pallet. There's a tree stump. This house was insanely. It had so many trees, and I cut down half of them. So here's the side of the house. The paint is peeling on the entire pretty much house, but all that will be scraped off. Fresh new paint will be added, and it's going to look pretty sweet when it's all said and done. All right, so here's another tree, and another one, and another one, and another one. And they're so big. Look at them. Like when I first bought this house, you could not even see this house on Google Maps from all the trees it had. All right, you can see the gutter. It's leaning, completely falling off. Pretty much because all these little circle things get stuck in there. Then all the leaves pile up and it's a pain. It is a pain. So I want to remove all the trees, install brand new gutters, and then fix it up. All right, so that's the side of the house. Is the front little patio, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, this is going to be repainted as well as the front door. Windows going to be left alone. They're still in decent shape. That's the front of the house. All right, everybody. So this is a rental property after 3 years of being rented. It's not in the perfect condition, but it will be there once everything is fixed up and ready to go. All right, everybody. So this is an average small rental property. I know a lot of YouTubers, they show you these $1 million homes that they're renting out. But if you're an average person making anywhere from $30,000 to $60,000 a year, you're not going to be able to just go out there and buy a $1 million house and rent it out. Most of the people that buy houses, we buy houses under $100,000 and we rent them out. Especially if you're from a low-income family and you do not have a very, very good job, but you want to get into real estate. Smaller houses like these that are under $100,000, you'll be able to make decent profits and you'll be able to buy them. All right, so they did leave me with a bunch of crap. Check it out right here. Like I said, they used to work on trucks. So left me an awesome gas tank and some tires. All right, everybody. So there you go. One of my rental properties. This property is going to be renovated completely. So make sure you subscribe. Watch all the videos. If you have any questions, tips, comments, anything, you know where to drop them below. Also, if you want me to do videos on specific things, just let me know in the comment box below. And that is how a property looks like after it's being rented for 3 years. I know some properties look way better. Some properties look way worse. But I'm happy with the results after 3 years. So there's nothing to complain. Just some easy fixes, easy touch-ups, easy upgrades. These are upgrades that you can do yourself personally. Painting, scraping, cutting the trees down, cleaning the yards. All this stuff can be done by you, especially if you're just starting out and you do not have the funds to pay contractors. But after you get a couple properties, you do not have to worry about doing any of the work yourself. You'll be able to hire contractors and have this house fixed up in about 6 to 7 days. So, all right, so now you have seen one of my rental properties after the tenants have moved out. So if you want me to make any video about this property, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. And now I'm going to go back into the car, put my heat on, and wait for my contractors to come and see you in the next video. Peace out.